Unlocking the power of lathe machines. Ever wondered how raw metal transforms into precision parts? The lathe machine, a pivotal tool in manufacturing, holds the key. This marvel of engineering intricately shapes materials, bringing designs to life with unparalleled accuracy and efficiency. The lathe machine's journey began with ancient wood-turning practices, evolving over centuries into today's sophisticated engineering tool. From simple manual operation to advanced computer-controlled systems, the lathe has continuously shaped industries, underscoring its timeless relevance. At its core, a lathe machine rotates a workpiece against cutting tools, crafting precise shapes and designs. Essential in manufacturing, it enables the creation of uniform parts, crucial for everything from household items to aerospace components, ensuring quality and consistency. Key components like the spindle, chuck, carriage, and bed are vital. The spindle rotates the workpiece, the chuck holds it securely, the carriage moves tools precisely, and the bed provides stability, collectively ensuring optimal performance and accuracy in machining. The lathe machine operates on a simple yet effective principle. By rotating the workpiece while applying cutting tools, it meticulously removes material, sculpting it into the desired form. This harmonious interaction between movement and machining is the essence of precise manufacturing. Lathe machines come in various types, each designed to meet specific industrial needs. Engine lathes are the most common, offering versatility for general machining tasks. Turret lathes are ideal for mass production, while CNC lathes provide precision and automation for complex tasks. Engine lathes are the backbone of many machine shops. Known for their versatility, they perform a range of operations such as turning, facing, and threading. Their adaptability makes them suitable for both simple and intricate machining tasks in diverse settings. Turret lathes streamline production efficiency by enabling rapid tool changes without halting operations. This capability makes them invaluable in mass production environments, where speed and accuracy are crucial. They significantly reduce setup times and enhance overall productivity. CNC lathes represent the pinnacle of modern machining with their computer-controlled precision. They allow for intricate designs and complex operations with minimal human intervention. This automation ensures consistency, accuracy, and efficiency, which are essential for high-quality manufacturing processes. Essential operations on a lathe machine include turning, facing, and threading. These core processes are fundamental in shaping and finishing materials. Mastery of these techniques is crucial for producing components with the required dimensions and surface finishes in manufacturing. Turning is a fundamental lathe operation that involves reducing the diameter of a material to achieve precise dimensions. This process relies on the coordination of rotation and cutting tools to achieve smooth finishes and accurate measurements, essential in manufacturing precision components. Facing is a critical operation that creates flat surfaces on the ends of workpieces. It ensures that workpieces have smooth, even surfaces, which is crucial for components that must fit together perfectly in assemblies, enhancing the overall integrity of the final product. Threading is an intricate technique used on lathes to produce accurate screw threads. This operation demands precision to ensure that the threads are uniform and fit their intended purpose, whether in securing components or allowing for rotational movement in mechanical assemblies. Material considerations are vital in lathe operations, as different materials require specific approaches. Factors such as hardness, ductility, and thermal properties influence tool selection and machining parameters, ensuring efficient cutting and prolonging tool life while maintaining the quality of the finished product. Selecting the right cutting tools is essential for efficiency and quality in lathe machining. The tool's material, geometry, and coating must align with the workpiece material and desired finish, allowing for optimal cutting performance and extending tool life. Operating a lathe machine requires strict adherence to safety practices to prevent accidents. Essential measures include wearing protective gear, securing loose clothing, and maintaining a clean workspace. Regular equipment checks and proper training ensure that operators can work confidently and safely. Modern innovations have transformed lathe machinery, enhancing precision and efficiency. Advances like digital readouts and improved cutting tools have optimized performance. These innovations enable machinists to achieve intricate designs, meet exacting standards, and reduce production times, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Automation in lathe operations has revolutionized manufacturing, offering unparalleled productivity and accuracy. Automated systems streamline processes by reducing manual intervention, allowing for continuous operation. This shift enhances output quality and consistency while minimizing human error, marking a new era in machining. The integration of computer-aided design, CAD, with lathes has redefined the manufacturing landscape. CAD allows for precise design visualization, enabling seamless transition from concept to production. This synergy between design and manufacturing ensures intricate parts are crafted to exact specifications with remarkable accuracy. Lathe machines are indispensable across various industries due to their versatility and precision. They are crucial in aerospace for crafting components, in automotive for engine parts, and in the medical field for surgical tools. Their adaptability makes them a cornerstone of modern manufacturing. Lathe machines are indispensable in the aerospace sector, where precision and reliability are paramount. They craft intricate components like turbine blades and engine parts, ensuring aircraft function safely and efficiently. The precision offered by lathes supports the high standards required in aerospace engineering. In the automotive industry, lathes play a crucial role in manufacturing. They produce essential components such as engine parts, gears, and shafts. The ability to create intricate details with precision ensures vehicles perform optimally, contributing to both safety and performance on the road. The medical field relies on lathes for producing surgical tools and implants. Precision machining ensures these items meet stringent health standards. From bone screws to dental implants, lathes help create medical devices that improve patient outcomes and enhance surgical efficacy. Custom manufacturing thrives on the versatility of lathe machines. They enable the creation of bespoke parts tailored to specific industry needs, from unique mechanical components to custom-designed furniture. This adaptability supports innovation and allows businesses to offer specialized solutions to their clients. Educational institutions use lathes to train future engineers, providing hands-on experience in machining. Students learn essential skills in precision and craftsmanship, preparing them for careers in manufacturing and engineering. This practical training is crucial for developing the next generation of skilled professionals. Lathe machines are a cornerstone of global manufacturing, driving economic growth by enabling mass production and high precision. Their ability to produce intricate parts swiftly and accurately is vital for industries ranging from aerospace to automotive, significantly contributing to industrial productivity. Environmental concerns are prompting advancements in lathe operations, focusing on energy efficiency and waste reduction. Efforts to integrate eco-friendly practices and materials are reshaping the industry, aiming to minimize the environmental footprint while maintaining high production standards and quality. The future of lathe machines is bright, with emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and IoT integration enhancing capabilities. These advancements promise even greater precision, efficiency, and customization, ensuring that lathe machining remains a vital part of manufacturing's evolution. Mastering lathe operations fosters personal growth, enhancing skills in precision, problem solving, and creativity. This expertise opens doors to numerous career opportunities in various industries, empowering individuals to transform raw ideas into tangible, expertly crafted products with confidence. Inspired by the transformative potential of lathe machines, individuals are encouraged to explore their limitless possibilities. By delving deeper into this field, one can harness the power of innovation and craftsmanship, turning imaginative concepts into reality with remarkable precision.